You ever sit down to make a budget and 2 weeks later wonder where all your money went anyway? You are not alone. Most people don't stick to a budget because the way they're doing it doesn't work. It's too complicated, too strict, or it doesn't include real life. I'm Vladimir Nemchinov. I went from zero to $600,000 in 11 years, mostly through real estate. Now I'm growing my net worth by investing for retirement and teaching people like you how to win with money. Let's talk about level 1 of the wealth game, creating a budget that actually works. Forget apps for a second, forget spreadsheets. Here's how you do this in real life. Step 1, write down your take-home pay, not what your salary says, what actually hits your bank account. Step 2, list your essential bills first. Rent or mortgage, lights, water, phone, groceries, gas. These are what keep you alive and housed. Step 3, give every single dollar a job. If your paycheck is $2,500 per month, you don't leave any of it unassigned. Rent, 1,000 utilities, 200 groceries, 400 car payment, 300 gas, 150 cell phone, 100 emergency savings, 100 and so on, until it adds up to exactly $2,500. This is called zero-based budgeting, and it works because nothing disappears. Now here's the trick. Most people mess this up by forgetting about irregular expenses, like oil changes, birthdays, back to school, holiday gifts, and Amazon late night regrets. Plan for them. Add a category, even if it's $20 a month. Next, stop treating savings like leftovers. If you wait to save until the end of the month, you won't. Pay yourself first. Now let's talk real life, because budgeting isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared. If your kid needs a field trip fee, if your fridge dies, if your job cuts your hours, your budget is your game plan, not a cage. Some months you'll get it right. Some months will feel like chaos. That's okay. The point is to stay in control, to stop guessing, to stop waking up broke and wondering how it happened again. Want to make it easier? Try this. Use cash envelopes for spending categories like food, gas, or fun money. Use a whiteboard on the fridge so the whole family sees the plan. Set calendar reminders for bill due dates. Automate fixed expenses so you're never late. Review your budget weekly, not monthly. This isn't boring. This is how adults win the money game. And here's the best part. Once you master this level, everything else gets easier. You'll find money you didn't know you had. You'll stop paying late fees. You'll finally be able to save and invest without the "where's it gonna come from?" panic. Budgeting is the first level of the wealth game for a reason. It's where the broke cycle breaks. So, what level are you on? If you don't have a working budget, this is where you start. Fill out the free assessment at the link in the description. It takes 60 seconds. I'll help you figure out your level and make a plan to move forward. Link is https and rbit.ly/44ndyzh. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. It's about peace. It's about finally telling your money what to do instead of wondering where it went. Let's level up, invest steady, compound your net worth.